Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change profile in Spotify applications. So how to change profile in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Now here it is on the main Spotify display. To change the profile, we must enter the Profile menu. Immediately, the method is to direct the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is our Spotify profile icon. Tap the icon. Now there will be several menu options that can be used in Spotify, such as Account, Settings, and other menus. To change the profile, tap the Profile menu. Now here we are in the Profile menu. Here you can change the profile photo. Direct the cursor here. Here there is, Changes Photo. Tap Changes Photo. And the Windows folder will automatically appear from our computer. Here we can enter the profile photo according to what we want. For example, I choose this. Then tap Save. Here you can see that the profile photo can be changed. Secondly, here you can also change the name of your Spotify profile by tapping your profile name. And here you will enter this page. In the Name section, change and type the profile name you want. For example, I will change and type like this. After finishing, tap Save. Now here you can see the names and profile photos have been successfully changed. So that's it. Tutorial how to change profile in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.